the same thing I talked about before. And I'm going to go ahead and pick these points. And go like that. And we'll go ahead and click there.
Are you doing boundary line? Is that what you were using?
I was using the walls. And so let me show you that again. So as I'm doing this right here, I'm just going to go ahead and get out of there. Yes, I go to the floor. So I go here, this is what level 1 looks like, level 2 looks like, and there's nothing there yet. So I go to floor, and I go to floor architectural, and I'm going to change it from this generic floor to this wood joist 12-inch floor. And then I'm going to go ahead and click here. And what I'm doing is I'm just clicking it right here. This allows me right here to use pick walls, and so I can just go ahead and use it this way. And then when I hit the green check mark, it says, the floor roof overlaps the highlighted walls. Would you like to join geometry and cut the overlapping biome? No, I don't want to do that. So I hit no. And so it does this, and now we're going to take a look at it. And we see the wall right there. You got a nice deck there. The floor looks right, you know, it doesn't actually go out. And so we got a nice looking floor there. Okay, so that's good. That's better. That's how I should have done it the first time. Now, the next thing we're going to do is now I can put my walls in, and then I'll put my ceiling in. So let me go with my walls. And again, my walls, I mentioned before, they're just this generic 5-inch interior partition right here. So I'm going to go here, and I'm going to go 6 feet from the sides where I used before. Go 6 feet this way. And we talked about this before. And what I could do is from there, I could go ahead and do my mirror command. So I'll go ahead and grab this, and I'll go to mirror, which is this one right here. Mirror draw axis. This allows us to pick a point right here. And we've seen this before. Triangle means midpoint. And we click there, and there's the other wall. So we're good to go. And we take a look at it. You're going to be stretching up all the way up to the guide. All right? All right? Now, because there's no roof, and so when we do the roof, we'll actually cut those off. We'll have them all joined together, and no one will be the wiser. So it'll all look really great. So that's the basic idea. That's what we want it to look like. All right? So that's what we have there. Now, the next thing we're going to do is we go back to level 2, and we're going to put in the roof. So I go to roof, and what I'm going to do is I move along here. I'm going to start by going along here. This right here, I've got the 1'3". I want this to define a slope. This one, I do not want to define a slope. This one, I do want to define a slope. And this last one, I don't want to define a slope. So you can do it that way too, so you don't have to go back and forth. And I click the green check mark, and yes, I do. Let's see how we're looking here. We should be looking pretty good. Okay, yep, that's looking pretty good. And now I change my roof to have these asphalt shingles. And then we're looking like that. And if I take a look at it, we are looking okay. We're looking pretty good. So the model is looking pretty kosher now. We're missing one thing, and that is a window. And the window that we have here on the second floor, what number is it? Number 2. And on the window schedule, how big is that supposed to be?
48.
Yeah, it's a 36 by 48 window. So we go to window, and we go and do a double hung. It's a double hung because it's not quite so wide. So we go to the double hung, and we want 36 by 48. We click here, and we go ahead and touch it here. And it kind of wants to put it like magically in the center, and that's the center right there. 3 foot 10 1/4 on both sides. We'll go ahead and click, and we are good to go. Let's take a look at it. Let's see how it looks. We'll go back to here, and there's our window. Okay, so we are looking good. Yep, that's all good. And so that's essentially what that should look like when we're all done. And we go into here, and that's basically what that's supposed to look like when it's completed. All right, any questions about that right there we just went through? Okay.
Can you just show the asphalt?
Yeah, all I did there, okay, when you're dealing with your roof, let me show you something, and you can do this with walls or anything. If I click on here right now, it's a roof. And by the way, you can see through. It's kind of cool. If you ever want to get a quick view of something without using a section box, you can just click on it, you'll be able to see through. Now at this point, I just hit this drop down here, and all your different roofs are available. Generic 9-inch, 12-inch, roof garage, and so forth. You've got all these different here. So let me go to roof garage. And when I do that, it gives me this kind of a look right here. Okay? So that's one look that we have. All right? And don't think I used roof garage before. I'm gonna go back here to wood rafter, like that. Okay, does that make sense? Okay, and you could do that with any of these doors or windows too. Like if I want to change this, I could click here and say, I don't want double hung with trim. I want this to be 24 inches by 72. And see, it makes it doesn't even fit. You know, so you can just change it like that. And so much so that it won't even make sense. And I'm going to save my drawing while we're going along here. So we've got that. So what have we done? We've gone ahead and we did the first floor. We did the foundation. We put in the second floor. Now we want to go ahead and put in the attic stairs. So the attic stairs, and we go down here, and it's about right